Hai guys, kali ini saya mengajak kita berpetualang di Disneyland Hong Kong, tepatnya di Adventureland, menyusuri hutan Afrika dan sungai Amazon buatan. Tidak lupa singgah di rumahnya Tarzan. Ini lagi di atas perahu di Adventureland di Disneyland. Kakak, mana gajahnya? Di sepanjang sungai, kita selalu dikejutkan dengan binatang-binatang buas buatan yang sangat real mendekati aslinya. Yuk ikuti keseruannya. Sama-sama naik. Dan ini rumah pohon. Rumah pohonnya. Udah. Oh, mau ke rumah pohon dulu. Mau ke rumah pohon, Kak. Nih, mau ke rumah pohon. Mengembara di hutannya Afrika. Dia diset seperti rimbanya hutan Afrika. Ini masuk ke sini mahal loh, tiketnya jutaan. Ini kayak musim nias ya. Nah, kayak musim nias. Puas main-main di rumah pohon, selanjutnya perjalanan dilanjutkan mengeksplor sungai dengan kejutan-kejutan seru yang membuat jantung hampir copot, guys.
First of all, look at there. Can you see what is there hiding under the house? Crocodile. Yes, there's a crocodile hiding there. Actually, up there is the Tarzan tree house, and then live Tarzan and his girlfriend Jane. So you can go up there, taking that raft, and it will take you to the tree house. The neighbors swim across the river. He haven't had lunch for a few days, so if you swim across the river, he will probably bite you. Actually, in the past, can you see there is a fishing pole behind that stone? No? Yeah, there. Yes, that's good. In the past, there was a man fishing over there. But then after the crocodile came out, I've never seen him again. So be careful. Yeah, you can see that his stuff is still here, but the man is missing. So be careful, okay? Okay, so okay, maybe let's say hello to them, okay? Hello! Hello! Yeah, wait to the other side. Hello! Okay, we're now off a way to the world's longest river. And this river running across 4,000 miles. So we see many animals inside the jungle. We have the two elephants. And it seems to be the mother elephant and her baby. It's okay, she's teaching him how to use his tongue, but he's still small, so he don't know how to speak. But if you want to see it bigger, the other side, this is the brown elephant, and he's taking a shower. Oh, look at all those wrinkles. I think he's underwater be too long. Hey, look there. The brown elephant is waiting for us. Will we spill water, please, Tom? we don't want to get wet. Please. They're so cute. And it's a bit dark here, right? Where are we? Look at the spiders. I heard that they're the poisonous spider in the world. And they can jump over 20 feet. And look, one more here is creeping. And there's some king cobras ahead. Yes, I think he's protecting the middle god of wisdom from India. And they're far away from us, so it's okay, no worries. Yes, it's creepy. Okay, so after we pass this temple, we enter the true heart of the jungle. Look at many crocodiles like a waste of eggs. They're sleeping, are they? They haven't had breakfast this morning, so don't put your hand outside. I bet they're waiting for some hands up. Look at there, some gorillas over there. And their parents, this was the campsite of Professor Porter, but it seems it's now becoming their home. Oh, but he's sleeping again. Whoa, he saw something. Oh, look at it, they shoot any one of us. Oh yes, giraffe, and what else? Zebras, giraffe, and then elephant, yes. Yes, I heard that this elephant is only the number 2 most dangerous elephant in the jungle. And he's named the African elephant, but he's only the number 2 because the number 1 most dangerous. Here, this is the most dangerous elephant in the jungle. That is his mother-in-law. Always a danger thing, right? Oh, in the water, what's that? Hammers, yeah, big hammers. I heard that there are over 6,000 pounds. Wow, water is coming on. Oh, the one was there. But it's still bad, Look at those people on the tree. I told him, look, I killed them right away. They're not coming down anymore. Uh-oh, she knows, girls. I think we've reached the headhunter side. I heard that they love to eat human beings. Be careful. Look at there. There's so many girls. I think they've eaten so many people already. And let's see what is there. Be careful for that. It seems like no one is here. I wonder. Oh no, they're hiding there. Whoa, get out. No, they're taking us. Oh no, please. We're going to be in front of the They're so close. Did anyone get hurt? No. Oh, it's there. They got hurt. There's a what is happening? Oh no! I think we're forced into the forbidden canal god. And I heard that this place is called the Mendebarkan of water. And I think the anchor blew the boat away. And we can't even get back. Oh no, we're fire! Oh no, what's going on? Water fountain! Go! Okay, we're safe. We won't go back anymore. We're just so lucky. So are you still alright? Yes. Does anyone missing? If you're missing, please put up your hands and let me know.
Wow, excellent.
Let's see. Oh, it's the baby elephant again. Baby, let's say goodbye to him. Goodbye. I think he's still practicing how to speak. It's so cute. Okay, so we are going to head back. Remember to keep sitting down and keep all your arms inside. And we will head back. Okay, let's get back. Okay, so one last. Yes, it's
Welcome to the jungle. Thank you for watching. See you.